Some of the foods marketed as healthy are breaking down your collagen faster than age ever could. And most people have no idea. Here's the thing. Collagen loss after 30 isn't just inevitable. It's accelerated by specific foods hiding behind clean labels and health claims. We looked at the actual biochemistry, not the supplement marketing, not the wellness influencer claims, the science of what collagen needs to form and what stops it cold. So in this video, you'll learn the 5 foods that genuinely rebuild collagen from the inside, and the 3 that are breaking it down faster than time ever could. Stay to the end, because the destroyers, they're going to surprise you. Food number 5, berries, the antioxidant shield. Here's what's attacking your collagen right now. Free radicals, generated by UV exposure, pollution, processed food, stress. They oxidize collagen fibers, making them stiff, cross-linked, damaged. This is a major driver of visible aging. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, are loaded with antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins and vitamin C. These neutralize free radicals before they reach your collagen. Think of them as a daily shield. 1 handful, every day. Mixed into yogurt, blended into a smoothie, eaten plain. It doesn't matter. The consistency is what creates the protective effect over time. The science here is solid. Studies show that regular antioxidant intake measurably reduces oxidative damage to skin proteins, including collagen. That's your first layer of protection. But protection alone isn't enough. Your body also needs the right structural materials to build from. And this next one is hiding in plain sight. Food number 4, eggs, the proline source. Nobody credits. Simple, underrated, genuinely effective. Egg whites are rich in proline, one of the primary amino acids that makes up collagen. Your body uses proline to build collagen structure. Without enough of it, the fibers are weaker and less dense. Egg yolks bring something different, vitamins A and D. Vitamin A promotes skin cell turnover and signals collagen production. Vitamin D plays a role in skin repair at the cellular level. 1 egg gives you both. It's one of the most nutrient-dense, collagen-supportive foods per calorie that exists. Scrambled, boiled, poached. Doesn't matter. Make them a daily staple. Sourcing matters too. Pasture-raised eggs have meaningfully higher nutrient density than conventional. But here's the thing. Building collagen structure is one part of the equation. The other part is stopping the inflammation that breaks it down before it even forms. And that's where this next food comes in. Food number 3, fatty fish, the collagen protector. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. Most people know these are good for skin, but they don't know why. And the real reason is more specific than omega-3s are healthy. Your body produces enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs. Their job is to break down old, damaged collagen, which sounds useful, except that inflammation puts them into overdrive. When they're overactivated, they start destroying healthy collagen too. Omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA from fatty fish, directly suppress the inflammatory signals that trigger MMP overactivation. It's not just that fatty fish builds collagen, it stops the thing that breaks it down. 2 to 3 servings a week is the target, wild-caught when possible. And here's something most people don't know. Sardines are actually the most cost-effective source of EPA and DHA per dollar of any food. Worth mentioning, omega-3s also maintain your skin's moisture barrier, which keeps collagen hydrated and structurally intact. And before we're done, I'll show you the 3 foods most people think are perfectly fine, that are actually working against everything on this list. But first, this next point is the one that determines whether any of this actually works. Food number 2, vitamin C, the unlock no one talks about. Without this, nothing else matters. Literally, collagen synthesis is a biochemical process, and it has a key. That key is vitamin C. Without enough of it, your body cannot produce the enzymes, prolyl hydroxylase and lysyl hydroxylase, that stabilize collagen fibers and hold the structure together. You can eat all the bone broth in the world. If you're low on vitamin C, your body cannot complete the process. And most women over 30 aren't getting enough of it from food. Not because they're eating badly, but because stress, poor sleep, and environmental exposure burn through vitamin C reserves faster than most diets replace them. The best sources: red bell peppers, actually higher in vitamin C than oranges; citrus fruits, kiwi, strawberries, papaya. These aren't just healthy snacks, they're the activation switch for everything else on this list. The application is easy. Add one vitamin C-rich food to every single meal. That's it. Not a megadose supplement, just consistent daily food sources. This is exactly why the system I built starts with the food foundation before anything else. Because no supplement or skincare routine can work in a body that isn't getting the basics right. If you want the full system laid out for you, comment younger skin. Now that your body can actually make collagen, let's talk about the food that delivers the raw building blocks directly. Food number 1, bone broth, but not how you think. This one gets misunderstood constantly. Bone broth is real, it works. But most women either skip it entirely or buy the wrong version and wonder why nothing changes. Here's what's actually happening. When you simmer animal bones, chicken, beef, fish, for long enough, the collagen inside those bones breaks down into gelatin and amino acids, specifically glycine and proline. Those are the two building blocks your skin uses to create new collagen fibers. You're not just eating for collagen, you're eating pre-formed collagen components. The application is simple: 1 to 2 cups a day. Homemade is best. Long simmer, 12 to 24 hours. Store-bought works if it gels when cold. If it doesn't gel, it doesn't have enough collagen content to matter. Add it to soups. Sip it plain. Use it instead of water when you cook grains. Your body doesn't have to work as hard to synthesize collagen from scratch. You're giving it the raw materials pre-assembled. Now, you've got the 5 builders. But here's what most videos skip entirely, the part that might actually be the most important thing in this video. 3 foods destroying your collagen. Everything you just learned can be undone. Daily. Destroyer number 1, sugar. This one is non-negotiable to understand. When sugar enters your bloodstream, it binds to proteins, including collagen, in a process called glycation. The result is called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. Glycated collagen becomes stiff, disorganized, it loses elasticity, and it can't be repaired the same way healthy collagen can. This isn't a small effect. Excess sugar is one of the most well-documented causes of accelerated skin aging in the research. And it's not just candy and soda. It's refined carbs, fruit juice, flavored yogurt, healthy granola bars. The target? Reduce added sugar consistently. You don't have to be perfect. But this one matters more than most people realize. Destroyer number 2, alcohol. 2 mechanisms. Both bad. First, alcohol is a diuretic. It dehydrates your skin at the cellular level. Collagen needs hydration to maintain its structure. Chronically dehydrated skin ages visibly faster. Second, alcohol elevates cortisol, and cortisol directly suppresses collagen synthesis. It reduces the activity of the fibroblast cells responsible for building new collagen. You're not just losing water when you drink regularly. You're chemically signaling your body to slow down collagen production. Occasional is one thing. Regular consumption, especially without sufficient hydration, accelerates the aging you're trying to reverse. Destroyer number 3, ultra-processed vegetable oils. This is the one that surprises people most. Canola oil, soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil. They're in almost every packaged food, most restaurant meals, and many products marketed as healthy. These oils are extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. And when omega-6 is chronically out of balance with omega-3, the result is systemic inflammation. That inflammation activates those same MMPs we talked about earlier, the enzymes that break down collagen. It also degrades the skin barrier, increasing oxidative damage to collagen fibers. The fix isn't eliminating fat, it's replacing these oils with olive oil, avocado oil, and butter, fats that don't push the omega-6 to omega-3 ratio into inflammatory territory. Now, if you want to take this further, I put together a full 21-day system that maps out exactly what to eat, what to apply, and what to stop doing day by day. It's called Younger Skin in 21 days, and it includes the complete collagen food protocol, a done-for-you meal plan, and the supplement timing that makes all of it actually work. Link is in the description. Here's what I want you to take away from this. Younger-looking skin after 30 isn't about expensive creams or treatments. It's about what's happening inside your body every single day. The collagen your skin needs, your body already knows how to make it. It just needs the right inputs and the wrong ones removed. You now know both. Start with one change today. Add a vitamin C source to every meal this week. That alone will shift the foundation. Simple natural things work the best. God gave us all the remedies we need right here on Earth. I pray God bless you and heal any illness in your body. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.